Hi everyone, in today's lesson we are going to learn articles a and the. What are articles? Articles are words that identify a noun as being specific or unspecific. For example, after the long day, the cup of coffee tasted particularly good. Here, the shows the specific day that was long and the specific cup of coffee that tasted good. There are different types of articles, definite and indefinite. The comes in definite articles and a and an comes in definite articles. First, we will discuss what are definite articles. It signals that the noun is particular, unique, already identified, and specific. Let's see the proper definition of definite articles. Definite articles are words that identify a specific noun, indicating that it is already known or previously mentioned. It's necessary to understand the pronunciation of the. When a noun starts with vowels, we use the apple, the America. And if a noun starts with consonants, we use the pen, the big onion. The sun rises in the east. Sun is specific. The city is very crowded. Here, city is specific. Now moving towards the indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are words that modify nouns and indicate that the noun is general or non-specific. A and an comes in indefinite articles. Now the question is when to use a or an. There are 26 alphabets in English language. 5 are vowels and the remainings are consonants. We use an with vowels and use a with consonants. A used before nouns starting with a consonant sounds. For example, a dog, a pet, a pen. An used before nouns starting with vowel sounds. For example, an apple, an elephant. I hope you understand that indefinite articles are non-specific, general, unknown, and random. Let's take some examples of a and an. I need a pen. She's a doctor. She's an amazing singer. I need an umbrella. Amazing and umbrella both start with vowels, so we use an. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.